हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि था पार्ट बी का। द लैंग्वेज सी की पावर m प्लस एन ए की पावर m b की पावर n m n ग्रेटर देन 1 इज ऑप्शन फर्स्ट रेगुलर, ऑप्शन बी कॉन्टेस्ट फ्री बट नॉट रेगुलर, ऑप्शन सी कॉन्टेस्ट सेंसिटिव बट नॉट कॉन्टेस्ट फ्री, ऑप्शन डी टाइप 0 बट नॉट कॉन्टेस्ट सेंसिटिव। लेट अस डिस्कस ईच ऑप्शन वन बाय वन। To determine the nature of language, C की power m plus n, A की power m, B की power n, mn greater than 1. Let analyze its property in classification with it formal language theory. Thus language C की power m plus n, A की power m, B की power n, m n greater than 1 consists of string composed of m occurrence of A, n occurrence of B, m plus n occurrence of C, where both m and n are greater than 1, m n greater than 1. Let's classify this language based on option provided. First, regular. Regular language are the simplest class of formal language, recognized by finite automata or described by regular expression. The language C की power m plus n, A की power m, B की power n, m n greater than 1 is not regular. Regular language cannot enforce constraint related to counting A and B based on other symbol like C in this manner. Option B, contest free but not regular. Contest free language are a broader class of formal language described by context free grammar and recognized by Postdown automata. The language C की power m plus n, A की power m, B की power n, m greater than 1 is contest free. It can be described by context free grammar where non-terminal can be used to generate balanced occurrence of A and B based on count of C. Option C, contest sensitive but not contest free. Context sensitive language are described by context sensitive grammar where production rule can depend on the entire context of sentimental form. The language C की power m plus n, A की power m, B की power n, m n greater than 1 could potentially be considered context sensitive, although it does not strictly require the full genitive power of context sensitive grammar. Context sensitive language are more powerful than context free language but can include language that are context free. Option D, type 0 but not context sensitive. Type 0 language recursive enablable language are the most general class of language recognized by Turing machine. The language C की power m plus n, A की power m, B की power n, m n greater than 1 is language. It does not require the full computational power of type 0 language recursive enablable. Based on analysis and classification, the language C की power m plus n, A की power m, B की power n, m n greater than 1 is context free but not regular. Therefore, the correct answer of the question, the language C की power m plus n, A की power m, B की power n, m and n greater than 1 is option B, context free but not regular is the correct answer. Thank you.